Welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss additional practice sums based on power and exponents. So let's start with the additional practice sums. This is very important for the standard 7 as well as standard 8. So first sum, find the values. So first sum is 7 raised to 5. We are given 7 raised to 5 multiplied by 7 raised to 3 divided by 7 raised to 8. We have to find the value of this one. So now first simplification of this bracket. Here two powers are in multiplication with same base, so we can perform addition of these two power. So this will be 7 raised to 5 plus 3 divided by this 7 raised to 8. So this one is 7 raised to 5 plus 3 is 8 divided by, so it will be in denominator 7 raised to 8. So 7 raised to 8, 7 raised to 8 powers are equal, so that is equal to 1. So value of this expression of question number 1 is 1. Done? Now question number 2. You have to find the value of this minus 3 raised to 5 whole raised to 2 divided by minus 3 cube whole raised to 2. So this is equal to, power of power is there, so this one is minus 3 raised to 10 divided by minus 3 raised to 3 to the 6. Now these two powers are in division, so it will be minus 3 raised to 10 divided by minus 3 raised to 6. These two powers are in division, they are having the same base, minus 3 is the same base, so here we can perform the subtraction of power. So for the subtraction of power, here you can say that power of numerator is greater than this power of denominator. So for the subtraction, we have to subtract this 6 from this 10. Subtraction will be performed in numerator as the power of numerator is greater than power of the denominator. So this one is minus 3 raised to 10 minus 6, and this is equal to minus 3 raised to 10 minus 6 is 4. Question is find the value, so you have to simplify this. So minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, which is 81 is the answer. Done? Now question number 3. Here we are given, I think we can solve this question number 3 over here. Question number 3, it's a 2 square into 2 cube into 2. So these two powers are in multiplication with the same base. Here 2 raised to 1 is there, so these two powers are in multiplication with the same base, so we can perform addition of this power. So this will be 2 into 2 plus 3 plus 1. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 2 raised to 6. So 2 raised to 6 is 64. 2 raised to 6 is 64 is the answer. Now question number 4. Here we are given minus 2 raised to 4 raised to 3 divided by minus 2 raised to 5 raised to 2. So again power of power. So when power of power is there, we have to multiply this power. So this one is minus 2 raised to 4 3s are 12 divided by, so it's a denominator, minus 2 raised to 5 2s are 10. So this is equal to, now again these two powers are in division with the same base, so we can perform the subtraction of power. For the subtraction of power, here power of numerator is greater than denominator, so subtraction will perform at the numerator. So it will be minus 2 raised to 12 minus 10. So minus 2 square equal to 4 is the value of this given expression. Done? Next question. Here we are given 4 cube divided by 2 raised to 4 multiply by 2 square. Here total 3 powers are there. These 2 powers having the same base 2, but this is in terms of 4. So we can say that we can replace this 4 with 2. So replace this 4 with 2 square. So first simplification is 2 square, that is replacement of 4, and whose power is 3. So 2 square, that is 4 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 4 multiply by 2 square. Done. Now here it's a power of power. So power of power is there. We can perform the multiplication of these 2 power. So 2 3s are 6 is there. So 2 raised to 6 divided by 2 raised to 4. So we can write this 2 raised to 4 into division. So 2 raised to 4 multiply by 2 square. Now for the further simplification, these 2 are in division with the same base 2. Perform the subtraction of power at numerator. So it will be 2 raised to 6 minus 4 multiply by 2 square. So 2 raised to 6 minus 2 is 2 square multiply by 2 square. 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 4 4s are 16, or we can say it's a 2 raised to 2 plus 2. 2 raised to 4 is the 16. So value of this expression is 16. So now question number 6. Here we are given minus 1 raised to 6 whose power is 3 multiply by minus 1 raised to 3 whose power is 4. So again power of power. So multiplication, minus 1 raised to 6 3s are 18 multiply by minus 1 raised to 3 4s are 12. So this is equal to minus 1 raised to 18 plus 12. So it's a minus 1 raised to 30, which is equal to 1. Negative number whose even power is there, so our answer will be positive. Now question number 7. So here for the 7th sum we are given 5 by 7 raised to 2 whose power is 3 multiply by 7 square whose power is 2 divided by 5 cube whose power is 2. This is given and we have to simplify it and we have to find the value of this expression. So now first we will apply this exponent law over here. It's a power of division. So power of division says that we can apply that power to numerator as well as denominator. So it will be 5 square upon 7 square. 5 square upon 7 square. Now whose power is 3 multiply by, again power of power multiplication. So it's a 7 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 3 whose power is 3. So it's a 5 raised to 6. Now this is equal to, now again it's a power of division. So it's a 5 square raised to 3 upon 7 square raised to 3 into 7 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 6. So this is equal to 5 raised to 6 upon 7 raised to 6 multiply by 7 raised to 4 divided by, so can we write in the division 5 raised to 6. So this 5 raised to 6, 5 raised to 6 cut, and this is equal to 7 raised to 4 upon 7 raised to 6. These two numbers are in division having the same base, so we can perform the subtraction of power. But here power of numerator is greater than power of denominator, so subtraction, we will perform the subtraction at denominator. So it will be 1 upon 7 raised to 6 minus 4. So that will be equal to 1 upon 7 square. 1 upon 7 square is nothing but the 1 upon 49. So 1 upon 49 is the answer. Clear, students? Now question number 8. Here 8th question is 27 by 8 square is there, divided by 81 by 4 cube is there, multiply by 6 raised to 4. Now here different numbers are given: 27, 8, 81, 4 and 6. So for the simplification we have to apply the logic that we can perform or we can apply the laws of exponent when the base are equal. So here we can try to make this base equal by converting this 27 as a, I can write this 27 as a 3 cube, I can write 8 as a 2 cube, as well as 81 as a 3 raised to 4, 4 as a 2 square, and this 6 as a 2 into 3. So I can convert this entire expression from this 27, 8, 4 and 6 to this 2 and 3 only. Done? So first replace these values. So here 27. So 27 is nothing but the 3 cube. So 3 cube upon 8. 8 is 2 cube. 3 cube upon 2 cube raised to 2. Divide by 81. So it's a 3 raised to 4 upon 2 square raised to 3. Multiply by 2 into 6 is 2 into 3 raised to 4. 2 into 3 raised to 4. Now this one, power of division. So it will be 3 square raised to 2 upon this one is 2 cube raised to 2 divided by 3 raised to 4 raised to 3 upon 2 square raised to 3, multiply by 2 into 3 raised to 4. So it's a 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. So power of power. So power of power, 3 raised to 3 2 is 6. 3 raised to 6 upon 2 raised to 6. Here we can replace this division with multiplication with the reciprocal of this quantity. So it's a 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 upon 3 raised to 4 is 12. Multiply by this one 2 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 4. Now write numerator as well as denominator combinedly. So it's a 3 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 4 multiply by 2 raised to 6 multiply by 2 raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 12. So simplification, 3 raised to 6 into 3 raised to 4 base equal, so perform the addition of this power. So it's a 3 raised to 6 plus 4, 3 raised to 10 divided by 3 raised to 12 into 2 raised to 6 plus 4, 2 raised to 10 divided by 2 raised to 6. So it will be 1 upon 3 square, 1 upon 3 square into, this one is 2 raised to 6 minus 2 raised to 10 minus 6, so it's a 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 is 2 to the 4, 4 4 is 16 by 9 is the answer. 16 by 9 is the answer. Clear students? So this is how you can find the value of any expression by using laws of exponents. Done? Pause the video. Okay students, and question number 9 and 10. Try these two sums by yourself and answer or write down your answer in our comment box. Done? So question number 9 is 12 by 25 square into 15 by 2 cube divided by 9 by 2 whole square. And question number 10 is 3 by 4 raised to 4 multiply by 3 by 4 raised to 6 divided by 3 by 4 raised to 4 whose whole power is 2. Done? So try these two sums by yourself and you have to comment your answer in our comment box. Done? And share this video with your friends. Thank you.